Hey guys, we are live. How are all of you tonight? I'm probably late. I actually can't see the time on my computer, but wanted to make something really quick and easy for all of you guys tonight. So as you log on here, do me a favor. If you can just hit the like button underneath this video. Hey, Deanna Bramble, how are you doing? You get the happy dance. Deanna's my friend. We ate chocolate on your bed and talked about boys in Del Mar. Remember that? Do you remember that when I first moved here? Deanna's one of the reasons I moved here. She was my only friend here. And still is. No, I'm just kidding. You guys, so I want to be upfront with you. Hey, Mike, happy birthday. Hey, Khalid. Don't you guys love how I notice those things and remember them? They're in my mind. So I want to apologize. Hey, Adam, how are you? Right now, for the way I look, I have had 3 hours of sleep. 3 hours. So do me this favor. Hit the like button under this video, on this video, if you can hear me and see me clearly, because honestly, right after I make this raw vegan enzyme packed soup for all of you and read a card of the day, a health card, I am going to hit the hay. I'm gonna pull my hair up in a bun and I'm gonna hit the hay because I am really tired. So I want to show you what I've made already. Let me just say hi to you guys in here real quick. We want to thank my girlfriend Renee for the dress. My beautiful friend. I went and met her baby, Mr. O, last month before they moved away, and she gave me this dress. I'm like, I don't know if that'll fit because Renee is super pretty and she's like really thin, and it fit. It fits. It fits nice. And so Renee, thank you, my beautiful, with your beautiful baby. I think it's like the second most beautiful baby I've ever seen in my life. The first being my nephew when he was a baby. Okay, so let's get to it. I will be uploading this video to my YouTube channel, Andrea Cox TV, tonight. So if you're not subscribed to Andrea Cox TV, hop on over there on YouTube and subscribe to it. Also, I want to make a few announcements. So I've got a really good, fun, exciting appearance coming up, and I'll be announcing that later this week. So stay tuned for that. It's something really special, and I haven't done it in over a year, so I'm excited. Tomorrow, I'll be live at 3:30 if I can drag my butt out of bed because I'm so exhausted. Did I say that already? Okay, so I'm gonna grab a card real quick because this is from a health deck. Hey, Michael, you guys, okay, we have 20 of you on. I better see 20. Hit the thumbs up button. Don't post it underneath. Hit the like button under this video. What that does is the bigger the following you have, the less actually people see your stuff now. So it increases our algorithm together, and you know, we get to see more of each other's stuff. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and click the subscribe button and then click the button that shows the updates. It's like a drop-down menu. So I'm going to pick a card really quick, a health card, because this one kind of wants to fly out. Progress. I think we're all making progress. It's super fiery energy right now. We're in Leo season. Leo is very fiery, very passionate energy. So I'm on the cusp of Aries, which is really passionate. I think we're all wanting to give back. We all are realizing where situations have brought us today. I think we all just realized that this week. We're all kind of feeling nostalgic and like, oh my God, like if that wouldn't have happened, this wouldn't have happened, you know? We're putting people's lives for a reason. So remember that. We're transforming. We just need to breathe. I'm just reading the cards, you guys, as they come. And we need to commit to happiness, draw healthy boundaries, and let's pick one more. I think we need to hydrate. I picked that earlier for myself this morning. I have a little, I wouldn't call it a ritual. Yeah, spiritual, wow, that one flew out. Boundaries flew out again, so that must be important. I have a little healthy spiritual practice I do every morning where I lay a card spread out for myself, a 9-card spread from 4 different decks, and I read the passages, and then I read a passage out of the Bible too, because, you know, I think religion's a personal thing, and I don't think we should judge. Breathe came out again, so we need to breathe, and progress came out again. So I guess that's all we need to know, you guys. Self-love. Yeah, that's my middle name, self-love. You gotta love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, you know, no one else can really love you, because then you're all grumpy and miserable and you kind of blame other people for your stuff. So you gotta love yourself first. Okay, so let's go. So I already made, these are so pretty that I'm like so proud of them. I already made, because I don't want a big salad tonight, these little raw wraps. I just used this really thin rice paper, and I put carrots, shredded beets, green onion, and avocado, and a little pinch of sea salt in there, and that's gonna be my salad. I know I'm queen of like huge shallots, but tonight I'm gonna have a large amount of this raw vegan soup. I'm kind of sticky, sweaty, it's super hot here, and so I want to keep it really light and simple. I'm tired. One of the worst things you can do, Stacy, my sister's on here. We got to fist bump my sister. I know you like my dress, Stacy. I can feel that energy from you. We vibe. We're like exactly alike, and then we have another sister that's not like us. She's real serious and responsible. Okay, so give mom a kiss for me. So I want to tell you guys that, you know, when you're tired and when you've had a major lack of sleep, when you've not gotten your sleep in, 3 hours here, I don't know, planetary shifts galore, you know, you don't want to eat heavy food. So instead of a big, huge shallot, these are beautiful. They're in rice paper. You just wet the rice paper. You can see it's coming undone. Mint, shredded carrots, shredded beets, avocado, sea salt in there. And that's going to make a delicious, you know, little mini salad. They're also good if you're like traveling and you just say you're like on a long drive or you're flying, and you can just pack these, and they're super tiny. They fit in your hand, and you know, you can get anything on airplanes these days. So what I'm gonna make for you is one of the soups that I made like every night the first 10 years I went raw. So when I went vegan, I went raw vegan, and I was raw vegan for 10 years. And then I realized for hormonal health, I needed to balance it out with some cooked starch. So now, like once a week, I do cooked starch, unless it's in the summertime. I just don't feel like I need a lot of cooked food. So the soup I'm making is enzyme rich. It's super quick. It takes like 5 minutes. Yeah. I have fresh press, did it myselfy, carrot juice from organic carrots. I'm just gonna take the Vitamix, which I cleaned. Someone emailed me how dirty my Vitamix was. You guys are so like honest. You're like, hey, really pretty. You're really good on camera. Your food looks really good, but your Vitamix needs clean. Thank you, Beth Ann. Thank you. It's clean now. I scrubbed it myself. So I'm going to pour 32 ounces of carrot juice in here. Now, I like to think this makes 2 servings. I'm going to take a hunk of organic ginger. Do the real thing. If you don't have the real thing, you can use half a teaspoon. Let me show you the amount, because look, too much ginger. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. My friend Raw Teresa, she sent me like a big hand of ginger, and I juiced it just last week. It lasted forever. Oh my God, you guys, this is such a good piece of organic ginger. So this is from Ronald, my local farmer. He's been delivering wheatgrass trays and ginger to me. So this is all the amount you want to do, because any more than this will kill a juice or a soup. Ginger it's a hot food. So there's cooling foods like avocado, which we're going to put in here, great for summer. Cucumber is a cooling food. A cooling food is a food that you eat and it cools down your body temperature. Foods that are hot are things like cayenne, any type of pepper, even bell peppers. Ginger is a heated food, so that kind of heats the body. Next, I'm going to grab, Renee, I'm so grateful for this dress, an avocado with my hair on it, which is really appetizing. And I, usually put a whole avocado in here, but here's the thing. I'm gonna save half of this avocado for my salad tomorrow night. So perfectly ripe avocado. Mama knows how to pick it. Lady at the checkout stand was like, oh, that's a bad avocado. I'm like, no, it's not. Okay, so what you want to do is just score the avocado, grab yourself a spoon. This is super difficult, you guys. You have to go to law school for this. And you just want to scoop it out. You can get it all out in one. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to put half an avocado, the large avocado, in here like so. Now, I'm going to add something else, and you guys are going to be like, Andrea, why? And the reason why is because it's really healthy to do raw. So I'm actually going to use just this organic peeled garlic by Christopher Ranch. And the reason is I don't get much raw garlic in my diet. Now, what is raw garlic good for? It's good for yeast overgrowth. It's good for, like candida. It's good if you're craving a lot of sugars. I have a feeling a lot of you are craving a lot of sugar. I get that feeling. You guys are craving like white flour, sugary crap. No. But you can leave it out too because, taste-wise, the ginger kind of fights with the garlic and it's not the best combo. But for me, I love the taste of ginger and garlic together. I just like that pungent, like, pow. But for you, maybe not. Now I'm going to put one more thing in here. And I'm out of it. Okay. The last thing I was going to put in here, and of course I'm out of it, is a piece of celery for the salt, the added salt, but I'm out of celery. I juiced it yesterday, forgot I juiced it. So basically that's it. You'll want to use a whole avocado. I'm using a half because I'm going to eat like this whole thing and I'm going to save this for tomorrow night's salad. And I don't need a whole avocado in a meal. It's a lot of fat for me, especially when I'm just going to go crash afterwards. But you'll want to use a whole avocado. That's what's going to keep it super thick for you and less watery. So this one's going to look kind of watery, but it's okay. I am going to stick a garlic clove in here because I want some raw garlic. I want that property of, warding the men off, garlic. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna happy dance. It's that easy, okay? It's that easy. Raw ginger avocado soup, healthy fat, lots of vitamin A, which is excellent for the skin, excellent for eye health. Where's the bowl? And I'm just gonna pour it in here. It's nice and thick. Here, I'll go up close. These bowls probably aren't the best, but you guys quit saying it's difficult to be vegan. It's not difficult. It's not. Now, what I bought to put on this, you can do anything. You can do scallions on this. The rest of this, I'll keep in a canning jar with a lid on it. You can freeze it as long as you leave space at the top so it doesn't burst in the freezer. Or you can stick it in the back of the fridge in a canning jar. You always want to store things, well, first of all, you always want to use plastic caps, and you always want to store things in the back of the fridge. Now, I'm going to stick this back there right away because, quite honestly, I'm like really anal about stuff like that. But what I bought to put on this soup, I bought some really pretty edible flowers, organic. I mean, see how pretty? You can put some sunflower sprouts in there. It's so pretty. I'm gonna kind of just down this so you guys can see it. See how pretty? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God, I'm gonna get those Instagram photos up. That is so pretty. And you know, you can stick some sunflower sprouts on it, but just eating, you know, this soup and this, so simple. And it doesn't, like, you know, you're not gonna have pregnancy belly from a 12-pound salad like I usually eat. So I like this when it's really hot, when I've not had adequate sleep, when I just am gonna crash afterwards. I really like this light type of meal. Okay, you guys, that was super quick, and we have 20 of you on. Thank you so much. Do me a favor, hit the like button. You gotta hit the like button. No, this does not mean putting a thumbs up in the comment. It means actually hitting the like button under this video. Feel free to also share and hop on over to my YouTube channel, Andrea Cox TV, over 3 million views, 17,000 subscribers. And please subscribe there. I'll be uploading this video edited, short version onto there, and there's like over 600 recipe videos on there. My website, andreacox.com, home of the digital detox, also my recipe books, Juicing for Beauty and Rawlicious Recipes. You can get those there. Also the 7-day Juicy Cleanse and my retreats, my detox retreats. We have one in October. Rain or shine, I'm getting my ass there and running it. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Join me tomorrow at 3:30. I'll be in that room, and have a beautiful night. Okay, bye.